We need to classify each of the alkyl halides from problem 7.44 as primary, secondary, or tertiary. So we'll start with A. This alkyl halide is primary because it's only attached to one other alkyl group. B, this alkyl halide is also primary because it's only attached to one other alkyl group. C, once again, it's also primary because that carbon is only attached to one other alkyl group. D, there are two separate ones we have to identify. So we'll start with the bromine. The bromine is attached to 1, 2, 3 alkyl groups, so it's tertiary. This chlorine is attached to 1, 2 alkyl groups, so it's secondary. And E, there are also two that we need to identify. This bromine is attached to 1, 2 alkyl groups, so it's secondary. This iodine is attached to 1, 2 alkyl groups, so it's also secondary. And F, there's another two alkyl halides we need to identify. This chlorine is attached to 2 alkyl groups, so it's secondary. This chlorine is attached to 2 alkyl groups as well, so it's also secondary. And G, starting with this chlorine, it's attached to only one other alkyl group, so it's primary. This chlorine right here is attached to 2 alkyl groups, so it's secondary. In H, there's only one iodine, and it's attached to 2 alkyl groups, so it's secondary.